Niagara Falls is one of the most popular and astonishing natural landmarks in North America. It is located on the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, United States. Niagara is not a single waterfall. It's actually made up of three distinct waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Falls. The largest, Horseshoe Falls, lies on the Canadian side and sees millions of gallons of water thunder down every minute. The American Falls and Bridal Falls are located on the US side, and they resemble beautiful cascading curtains. Together, the three create a spectacular view unmatched anywhere else in the world. The history of Niagara Falls goes back thousands of years. Over time, the immense power of the river sculpted the falls. Believe it or not, the falls were originally located miles away from where they are now but have slowly moved backward due to continuous erosion over thousands of years. It's truly a masterpiece carved by nature itself. Niagara is not only known for its beauty but also plays a huge role in science and technology. The falls help generate billions of kilowatts of hydroelectric power every year. Power stations built by both Canada and the US harness the force of the falls to supply electricity to millions of homes. On average, about 680,000 gallons of water flow over the falls every second, and a significant portion of it is diverted to generate clean energy. Niagara is a prime example of how nature can be used sustainably for development. Every year, nearly 10 million tourists come to witness Niagara Falls. It's not just a waterfall, it's an adrenaline-filled adventure. You can take the Maid of the Mist boat ride that brings you right beneath the falls, where the thunderous roar drowns out every other sound. Or explore the journey behind the falls, walking through tunnels that take you behind the mighty curtain of water. The Skylon Tower offers a breathtaking panoramic view from above. And when night falls, Niagara lights up with a magical illumination show that stays in your memory forever. During winter, when the area freezes, it transforms into what feels like a fairy tale kingdom. There are also some fascinating facts about Niagara that will surprise you. For example, the falls are retreating by about 1 foot per year due to natural erosion. In 1859, a man named Charles Blondin famously walked across the falls on a tightrope. Over the years, several people have gone over the falls inside barrels. Some survived miraculously, others lost their lives. And let's not forget the spectacular light shows and fireworks that make the nights even more magical. But with all this wonder comes a responsibility: environmental conservation. Niagara Falls is a gift of nature, and it is our duty to protect it. Water wastage, pollution, and overcrowded tourism pose threats to its future. Governments and environmental organizations are working to preserve its beauty and functionality for generations to come. We must also travel responsibly and show respect to nature. In conclusion, Niagara Falls is not just a tourist destination, it's a poetic expression of nature. Standing in front of it, you realize how small we are, and how vast and mysterious nature truly is. When millions of gallons of water rush down together, it feels like our minds are being washed clean, all the stress and worries melting away in that powerful roar. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment below and tell us when you'd like to visit Niagara Falls, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more amazing and informative content. Share this video with your friends, so they too can discover this incredible wonder of the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay inspired.